Welcome back to Chasing Trophies, and what a comeback for Devdutt Padikkal into the Indian team, scoring 100 in the first day in Gaul. An incredible innings from him. He's made the most of the situation. He's carried his form from the warm-up game, from the IPL, from domestic cricket, and he's translated on the international arena. I think he's solidified his spot for the number three. There's a lot of competiशन इंडियन क्रिकेट में, लेकिन देवदत्त पडिक्कल जिस तरीके से आज खेले, ऐसा लगता है कि भाई अभी एक साल तो यही होंगे नंबर 3 में. आई नो एक ही इनिंग है, विकेट भी अच्छी थी, लेकिन आई थिंक ही इज गोइंग टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज पुजारा के बाद इंडिया हैव नॉट रियली सीमेंटेड दैट नंबर 3 स्पॉट. कभी गिल खेले उसमें, कभी खुद पडिक्कल खेले, कभी करुण नायर खेले, कभी साई सुदर्शन खेले. तो आई थिंक इस बार देवदत्त पडिक्कल has probably locked that for at least until the BGT series, and I'm very happy for him जिस तरीके से उन्हें खेला. He was very aware in terms of shot selection. His foot movement was really good. He was in full control over his innings. He knew when to play the aggressor role, when to play the defense role, and a very good partnership with KL Rahul as well. Faiz is joining me as well. Faiz, Devdutt Padikkal, you're much more happier now than like 2 months ago when he was hitting it for RCB, but like for India, it feels a bit better.
Yeah, 100%. By like again, it's the hard work that he's put in by in this particular format. So he's been giving it all, right? Like I think जितना भी उसको एक के opportunities मिले इंडिया, एक के opportunities, I think he's done fantastically well. Warm up game में भी हम देखो he was our savior. Like अगर वो innings नहीं खेलते 140 का, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे इंडिया, राइट? लाइक अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका क्रिकेट 11 एंड देन सडनली आपके ऋषभ पंत, ध्रुव जुरैल ये लोग आउट हो गए थे. एंड बिफोर दैट आल्सो इफ यू ट्रैक बैक every format से, like you take 2025, I think it was the year of Devdutt Padikkal. Like IPL में maybe he had considerable better impact, like but महाराजा T20 के शायद हाईएस्ट स्कोरर थे. फिर उसके बाद आप रांची में ले लो तो वहां से लीडिंग कर्नाटका 540 रन वहां मारे, विजय हजारे में भी 700 प्लस रन मारे. तो he was just going after the the Indian call up, and I think Perth में वो last test match खेले थे under Bumrah's captaincy. He was called up as a substitute at that time because Shubman Gill got injured in his index finger, and उनका सिर्फ 25 कुछ आया था, very ginger 25. But अब वहां से अगर आप यहाँ पे उनकी body language देखो, I think he's just been fantastic. He gave confidence, after Jaiswal lost and KL Rahul was a little bit timid in his approach. I think he came in, played very good, played a bit quicker initially, then he sort of toned down and then partnership build kare. So I think like a number 3, what we were searching for, he has the makings of it. Now it's about how much more he becomes a bit more consistent going forward.
Yeah, 100%. I think the way he's played in this match, he's asserted his position over there. He looks very confident in his approach. And उन्हें एक चीज़ है, उन्हें fast bowling भी ठीक ठाक खेल लेता. He plays the short ball pretty decently. We'll find out in New Zealand कितना अच्छा खेलेगा उन्हें. लेकिन and his the way he plays spin is really good. And I think अगर आप especially subcontinent में जब खेल रहे हैं, इंडिया में खेल रहे हैं, वैसा प्लेयर हमारे को मिसिंग था ना. लाइक श्रेयस अय्यर थोड़े पीरियड के था, उससे पहले रहाने, कोहली, इन लोग खेलते थे. लेकिन आई थिंक जिस तरीके से उन्हें स्पिन के साथ खेल रहे थे, एंड देयर वाज द ऑड बॉल टर्निंग, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ वेरी गुड विकेट टू बैट ऑन. ऐसा नहीं है कि it wasn't flat, it was, but even against the spinners, the way he used his feet, I think it was very impressive. His hand-eye coordination is really good, and I like the way he plays both the spinners and fast bowlers. He looks fairly comfortable, and आगे जाके I think he'll have a very good future for India, and he's the type of guy, right? Like अगर आप देखें, it's not just IPL, domestic cricket में उन्हें रिवॉर्ड हुआ. एक ईशान किशन है, एक देवदत्त पडिक्कल, आप जो redemption arc बोलते हैं ना, he's seen the whole curve. He started in the IPL, पूरे नाम लिए, फिर उसके बाद फेल हुआ, फिर डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट खेला, फिर डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट से वापस आया सिस्टम में. वहां पे भी इट वाजंट अ स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फेल हुआ, उन्हें वहां पे भी ड्रॉप कर रहे उसको, लेकिन फिर अब आके जिस तरीके से उन्हें खेला, it shows he has that mental strength as well along with the cricketing ability.
Yes, 100%. Well, like I think he's been in here for a while. I think 2018, 2019 से like he actually like I think Karnataka ये वो भी, plus जो IPL में मेरे को याद है early times पे he used to play and stuff, and from there to now आप mention भी कर रहे थे कि भाई what areas he's worked on. Also his physicality, his temperament, and I think when you have that not so good start and you see people around, it's how you pick what you want to do. Do you want to focus and just be like cribbing about it? Like I think Ishan Kishan said something very amazing, and I think a couple of months ago he said that I had only two options: either I cry about it or I do something about it without crying. Like, and all I had to do was do something about it, as in find the solution rather than crib about the problem and be like, "Arey, sab cheez kare," but I'm not actually focusing on my cricket. So I think that's what Devdutt Padikkal also. आप देखो एक के tours पे भी जा रहा है. He's doing everything that he can in his power. I think that just shows you that they don't don't want to make it a like a self-inflicted problem, rather just try to find a solution that will help them in the longer run. And I think both Ishan Kishan and Devdutt Padikkal, like whatever opportunity Ishan Kishan went to play English county cricket, and then he led Jharkhand to that Syed Mustaq Ali victory. From there, he picked up an area. 2020 T20 World Cup ke winner hai aaj. And Devdutt Padikkal, like Karnataka ke liye, to bhai in every format he's collectively probably got like 1500 runs, man. Like, and that's 3 format cricket we're talking in this 2025. And I think that just shows you that they're not looking at other people's success. They're just trying to learn from what mistakes they've done and try to look at what other people do and try to implement the positive and leave out the negative. I think तो बहुत ही मतलब solid भाई. I think composure, level headedness, KL Rahul के साथ left right combination, it's sitting well right now for Devdutt Padikkal at a number 3 spot.
What does this mean for Sai Sudarshan? Because कप्तान तो बोल रहे थे कि भाई हमारे को Sai Sudarshan ही चाहिए था. We wanted to play him, and it's a big loss for us for him not being there. And Sai Sudarshan, to be fair, honestly, like he's also had a decent domestic season, right? उसका भी average सही ठीक ठाक है. He had a good IPL as well. So what does this mean? Does he have to fight for a spot back, or do they shift him down the order, or do they stick with Devdutt Padikkal? Because अब New Zealand का tour भी आने वाला है, वहाँ पे conditions अलग हो गए. It's not going to be like Sri Lanka. Do you resort back to Sai Sudarshan because you feel that he'll handle pace better, or do you stick with Devdutt Padikkal because of the form he's in?
Yeah, I think like again post this first agar like what happens ahead in a lot of aspect. I think chief selector की भी अभी seniority की बात चल रही है, गंभीर का क्या होता है, but I think it should be Devdutt Padikkal personally, because we've seen him at least get a 25 in Australia. In England we saw Sai Sudarshan play 5 tests में से I think 2 या 3 टेस्ट खेले Sai Sudarshan, and उसमें एक ही 50 आई थी उनकी, and then his dismissal also was not the prettiest. I don't know, कुछ top edge लग के down the fine leg area कुछ out हुए. तो if I look at it on terms of like cricketing ability right now, it just looks like Devdutt Padikkal looks like more of a complete player than Sai Sudarshan. Having said that, like I don't know, man, like what the man, but I would personally play with Devdutt Padikkal in New Zealand because I'm just feeling a little bit more comfortable. There's not a lot of with Sai Sudarshan, there's a slight bit of hesitation that you see when he comes out to bat. He takes gradually a lot of time to calm himself down. Devdutt Padikkal, I know again the conditions will be different and stuff, but I don't know. Just for me personally, I'm feeling
and he's really knocking the door down, right? Padikkal with the 100 यहाँ पे मारा उन्हें warm up में, फिर यहाँ पे भी 100 मार गया, एक और लगा दिया तो second test match, तो फिर he's knocking the door down. Will be very difficult to take him out, I think. And a man in form, you don't really want to take a man from out. But yeah, before we wrap up, your thoughts on the Yashasvi Jaiswal ka run out. I mean, very unfortunate, but it's part of the game, unfortunately. And he was looking very good. It looked like he was going to get 100 as well.
Yeah, I mean, some people will say spirit of the game and stuff. I mean, to be honest, the wicketkeeper did that. But if I'm in that camp of Sri Lanka, I'll be like, get him out. Because if later what happens when you lose the game, and you try to say spirit of the game, but some people will be like, "Arey, so who asked you to do that?" You can play that argument very easily. Because आपको किसने बोला कि Jaiswal को मत out करा? Like if I was in the opposition, I would say by what Sri Lanka did is within the laws. If it is there, it's there, and you just have to suck it up. Now KL Rahul was trying to do more running race than Jaiswal, but it happens. These slip ups happen, and I think for Jaiswal, he looked good. That's a good sign. That what I'm looking at is Jaiswal, the cricketer, is not really being impacted by what's set around him. He got a 60 in the warm-up game in the second innings. Here also, he looked very comfortable. In red ball in India, like subcontinent, we've seen Yashasvi Jaiswal absolute banger, and I'm not gonna be shocked if he gets 100 in the second inning because he looked very, very good. Like he was on his way.
Yeah, he looked very good. He looked like he was going to get the 100. उन्हें मतलब बहुत जबरदस्त बैटिंग कर रहा था. Unfortunately, these things happen. But that pretty much wraps it up. We've also reviewed the full disc. You can go and check that video on the live stream that we did. But we'll be joining you tomorrow as well. We'll discuss something new topic, and I'm sure there'll be plenty of action that we can talk about. There's also the Australia-Bangladesh test match that's going really well, so we'll share our thoughts on that too. Thank you, Faiz, joining. Thank you, everybody watching this. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and do comment on the video as well. And we will catch you in the next episode. Thank you and bye-bye.